Celebrity shorts.
NFL sues M.I.A. for giving Super Bowl audiences the finger. The hard-headed head honchos of the National Football League have just escalated their beef with singer-rapper M.I.A. to a whole nother level. Instead of dropping their frivolous lawsuit against the British pop star, who in 2012 flipped the Super Bowl audience members the bird, the NFL has opted to increase their lawsuit to the tune of almost $17 million. An order of magnitude higher than the $1.5 million they were originally demanding, and a figure apparently much higher than M.I.A. could ever afford. How did they come up with such an exorbitant figure? Well, the NFL is claiming M.I.A. raised the fuck you finger to the more than 110 million viewers as part of a publicity stunt. So they're demanding she fork over the equivalent of what a Super Bowl advertiser would have spent on her unpaid 2-minute appearance opposite Madonna and Nicki Minaj. M.I.A. has for her part publicly made light of the lawsuit, even taking to Twitter to ask the Queen of Pop for financial assistance. And saying, through a spokesperson, that the suit, quote, lacks any basis in law, fact, or logic. We here at Tomo News think she might have a point.